Hoka hey, Boozhoo, and welcome back to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and today's Ojibwe word of the day, let's make it Jimaganashi Gija Good. Jimaganashi Gija Good, Veterans Day. It is Gimmickweni Mananig, Remembrance Day in Canada. Jimaganashi Gija Good. 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 Jimanashi Gija Good. Jimaganashi Gija Good. Jimaganashi Gija Good is how you'll remember how to say Veterans Day. Miigwech to all the Ogama, the warriors who serve and protect and go to battle. Mikari, go to battle. Mikari. Yeah. So that's today's Ojibwe word of the day. And you have been watching Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa, Hawa. Oh yeah, and please like, share, and subscribe. Miigwech.